Hey, are you feeling like a superhero on autopilot? Juggling work, family, and everything in between? You're not alone. Most women in their 40s and 50s in this whirlwind of life, sometimes just going through the motions. But here's the secret. You don't need a massive life overhaul to hit the reset button and escape the whirlwind. The answer is simpler than you think. It's mindfulness. Now, this powerful practice can transform your daily grind. And it's not about quitting your job or escaping to a remote island, even though that may be nice. It's about being present, right here, right now. Imagine taking a moment to breathe, to truly experience your surroundings. That's mindfulness. It's your superpower to combat burnout and overwhelm. Are you ready to unlock this game changer for women in their 40s and 50s? Stay tuned, because I'm about to detail how mindfulness can revolutionize your everyday life. Let's get to it. Let's talk about that M word. Everyone is buzzing about tone, not menopause. I'm talking about mindfulness. So, what's the real deal? Mindfulness, not the same woo-woo practice, or sitting in silence for hours. That's not what I'm talking about. It's about truly, simply tuning in to your now. Imagine your mind as a radio. Mindfulness is finding that clear signal amidst all the static. For us, navigating our 50s and 40s can feel like a circus, but here's the secret. Mindfulness is your personal chill pill. It's like a mental spa day, helping busy women to dodge stress, curveballs, quiet those anxious thoughts, and finally get that beauty sleep that you deserve. Plus, it's your ticket to emotional balance. So next time life throws you a curveball, remember, breathe, observe, and let mindfulness work its magic. Your future self will thank you. Now, mindfulness doesn't have to be another thing on your to-do list. The key is to weave it into your daily routine. Listen to these 3 short examples of mindfulness from a few women that I know. My friend Shayna, a very busy entrepreneur, used to wake up and immediately feel overwhelmed. Now, she starts her day with 2 minutes of mindful breathing exercise before she checks her phone. It's a small change, but it has completely transformed her mornings and her ability to manage her day with a sense of calm. My sister Jennifer, a supermom, was always eating on the go. Now she practices mindful eating by turning off distractions and savoring each and every bite. She's finally listened to her body signals. My coworker Grace felt like her days were a blur, one task after another. She's constantly going on autopilot. I suggested that she try pausing a few minutes. Now, every time she's waiting for her coffee to brew, her cup of tea, she takes a deep breath and notices what she sees, hears, and feels. This small act of intentionally pausing breaks her cycle of rushing and brings her back to the present moment, creating tiny pockets of peace throughout her day. And what about me? I'm the kind of woman that listened to podcasts or took calls on my walks, but I realized I was missing out on a huge opportunity to recharge. Now when I go for my daily walks, I leave the distractions behind. That's my time to smell flowers, hear dogs bark, or watch the clouds move. It's my time to reset and reconnect. It makes me feel grounded and inspired. So yes, mindfulness is great, but what's next? Now here's the deal. I'm going to challenge you to pick one mindful practice, just one. Do it every day for the next week. Maybe it's a 5-minute meditation. Maybe it's sending a check-in text to your bestie, or simply sitting in silence, watching the sunrise or set. Remember, we're not aiming for perfection here. It's all about progress. So, are you in? Let's continue this women's wellness journey together. One small step each day, and trust me, it adds up. And how do I know? Because small steps leading to big impact is my wellness story. So I know firsthand that your big impact is just small steps away, taken consistently. Okay, besties, as usual, thanks for watching this video. We at Ken Carmel Digital remain passionate about giving our community high-value content. See you next time.